This is the Level 4 Interactive Elements walkthrough. Let's explore each interactive feature in this lesson. Starting with the cover page, click the right arrow button to move to the next page. On the contents page, you'll see all the sections of the lesson. You can click on an option, such as spelling, to jump directly to that section. The Home button will bring you back to the contents page at any time. The next slide is the song. Here, the teacher and student will sing together before starting the lesson. On the probe slide, the teacher will ask the student what they see in the picture. This will help gauge how much the student already knows about the topic. For the vocabulary slide, there is a tooltip button that provides guidance on navigating the page. As instructed, click the question mark icon to reveal the word and its definition. Next, click the light bulb icon to view additional information. To avoid overlapping, click the icon again to hide the content before moving on. Repeat this process for all the vocabulary words. Vocabulary practice slide. Check the tooltip for instructions. Students will drag the correct vocabulary words to complete the sentences. To locate the draggable elements, click the hand button. Then drag and drop the words to answer each question. On the sentence pattern slide, use the tooltip for guidance. Click the hand button to locate all interactive elements. Then, click the I buttons to reveal the sentences. After a sentence is revealed, the teacher can ask the question and the student will respond. Click the I button again to hide the sentence before moving to the next. Repeat this process for all the sentences. For the sentence patterns practice, click the tool tip for instructions. Locate the draggable words using the hand button, then drag them to complete each sentence. Repeat this for all the questions. In the Let's Talk section, the teacher will ask the student questions and the student will respond. Click each I button to reveal a question, then click it again to hide it before moving to the next. On the verb slide, start by checking the tooltip for instructions. Click the given words to reveal the definition of the past tense. Then, click the I buttons to display sample sentences. In the verb practice slide, students will drag the correct answers to complete the sentences. Check the tooltip for guidance and use the hand button to locate the draggable elements. Drag the answers to their correct spots. For the Say More section, the teacher will ask a question and the student will respond. Next is the grammar slide. Use the tooltip for directions and the hand button to locate interactive elements. Click each element to explore the content. In the grammar practice section, students will drag and arrange words to form correct sentences. Follow the tooltip for guidance and use the hand button to find draggable elements. Complete the first question and repeat for the remaining ones. In the phonics section, the teacher will introduce the consonant blend SC. For phonics practice, check the tooltip for instructions. Students will drag words that best match each image. Drag and drop the correct words for all the images. On the tongue twister slide, the student will practice reading the tongue twister at a fast pace. In the quick reading vocabulary slide, the teacher will introduce the given words to the student. For the reading slide, students will read the story. Use the tooltip for additional guidance. Click the numbers below to reveal each page of the story, ensuring to hide the current page before clicking the next to avoid overlapping. On the reading comprehension slide, the teacher will ask the student questions based on the story. Click each number to reveal a question, and click again to hide it before revealing the next one. For the spelling slide, students will practice spelling the words from the lesson by dragging letters. Use the tooltip for instructions and the hand button to locate draggable letters. Complete the first word, then continue with the rest. On the Express Yourself slide, the teacher will ask questions and the student will respond. Click each eye icon to reveal a question and click again to hide it before moving to the next. Finally, the game section is the last part of the lesson. Here, the student and teacher will play an interactive game together. This concludes the Level 4 walkthrough. Thank you for exploring.